And now let's look how Marts and Paula will show us waltz choreography with teaching count. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with double reverse spin, ladies heel turn, and we use here alternative timing. We continue with drag hesitation. Now lady goes outside partner into lock step. We continue with underturned outside spin, then turning lock to left. Now man goes outside into first 3 steps of natural turn. Now open impetus, man's heel turn here. Now from promenade position we dance cross hesitation and outside spin. We continue into corner with natural spin turn. Ladies brush here. Now steps 4 to 6 of reverse turn and open telemark, continued by wing. We dance telemark and natural turn first 3 steps into corner. Now we dance open impetus, followed by wing. From here we dance open telemark and cross hesitation, outside spin. And now we dance right foot close change. We continue with whisk. From whisk we dance weave from promenade position, 2 bars. From here we dance first 3 steps of natural turn, then open impetus, continued by weave from promenade position, again 2 bars, and we finish with first 3 steps of natural turn. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.